By now, you should have your basic settings in place. In this video, we'll introduce the Status Board, a powerful tool that helps you track jobs and identify issues before they become problems. The Status Board gives desktop users a clear, real-time view of all active jobs, where they're at, what needs to happen next, and whether anything's off track. It's designed to help you monitor job progress through each stage, gain visibility across your entire workflow, and spot and resolve issues early. The Status Board uses a simple traffic light system to highlight job status. Green means the job is on track and doesn't need immediate attention. Orange means that the job may require action soon, and red means the job needs immediate attention. Let's use the scheduling column as an example. Green means the job has been scheduled and no action is needed right now. Orange means a newer job still needs to be scheduled, and red means the job has been unscheduled for over 30 days. Jobs move left to right across the board as they progress. Quoted or estimated jobs begin in the pricing column and move to scheduling once accepted. Due and charge jobs skip pricing and start directly in scheduling. Once work begins, the job moves to in progress until labour is marked complete. It then moves to back costing, where you'll confirm all costs have been added. Think of this as a quick double check before progressing. Mark the job as ready to invoice, and it shifts to the invoicing column until the invoice has been approved. Finally, the job enters the payments column once invoiced and stays there until it's fully paid. Pro tip: hover over the colour indicators on the status board to see why a job is in that section and what actions are needed. This feature can be turned on or off in your user preferences under your profile icon. Just check or uncheck the last box in the list. You can also filter jobs using the table filter options like job number, date, or customer. Or use the search bar to quickly find jobs by address, job name, or other criteria. And that's it! The Status Board makes it easy to keep jobs moving and under control. For a more in-depth explainer on each section and colours, check out our help guide.